everyone, welcome back to Sunny Live Show, and thank you so much guys for tuning in. Well guys, I'm here to update you of what's going to happen on KwaBaba from the 27th to the 31st of July 2026 on Monday. Zwelakhe digs for answers in his mother's past. Bahumi encourages her father to remember who he is in the face of all adversity. Mhlaba and Dumisani have a heart-to-heart away from their bickering wives on Tuesday. Zwelakhe tricks Musa and Kethiwe into doing DNA test. Solomon takes matters into his own hands regarding Mandla and his daughter. Zandile resorted to underhanded tactics to tame Nelisiwe on Wednesday. Musa blindsided Zwelakhe with an unforeseen caught someone turning his world upside down. The Zulu family lays down their demand to the Mkhize. Kethiwe offers Nelisiwe some heart-and wisdom on Thursday. As Zwelakhe wrestles against a life-altering truth, Obahumi is by his side, affirming him. Musa's anger pushes the brotherhood to a breaking point. Dumisani makes his stand and restores order to his household. Well guys, that's all I have for today. You can leave your comment below and share your opinion. Bye.